Let's get ready to rumble, guys! Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. We have today a special guest, a VIP guest. Yes, it is. It is Tim Malcom. Everybody who knows him, say hello. Everybody who don't know him, I will put down the link under the video into the description. This guy is a TV superstar, a reality superstar from TLC's 90-Day Finance. Guys, I'm sure many of you know this guy already. And yes, he's the owner of Diggin' Finance. Diggin' Finance is a Tom fork launching on the Phantom network. Diggin' launches on February 22nd for the Genesis pool, which is for whitelisters only. On February 23rd, one day later, the Genesis pools are open to anyone for 24 hours. And what this means, guys, is it is stake your Diggin' Tom LP in the mortuary to earn D-share rewards, then stake your earned D-share in the mortuary to earn more Diggin'. So this is a money printing machine. A VIP stays behind. And what else you want, guys? If this is a scam, this guy is going to, you know where. So, and I don't think he want to put some dirt on his name, right? I don't think it. And then on the 23rd, the protocol will start itself. It is packed to Tom. Tim Malcom has verified Twitter and Instagram accounts with a following of almost 400k subscriber, guys. Yes, it is. Look at this guy. Tim Malcom have a Twitter account for sure with 23,000 followers right now, and Diggin' Finance over 18, near 1900. Tim Malcom is also a crypto YouTube, as known as a crypto YouTuber with almost 6,000 subscribers, in which mostly covers Tom forks. You can find him here. I will put also all the links you have to know about this guy. I will put all the important links down under the description, in the description under the video. And yes, you can see this guy still on TV. And here's his channel, Tim Malcom. I will put all the important links down into the description. Here you can see he is talking about Diggin' Finance also. And yes, Tim is well known in the Tom fork space. And there is a lot of anticipation for this project, as it is the first time a celebrity has announced himself as an owner of a Tom fork and coming out publicity for this support of the DeFi space. This Tom fork project is also integrating NFTs in a couple of months, which Tim has said in other interviews will create passive money or have the ability to stake for Diggin' coin, but will be extremely limited. For sure, the money printing machine will be not always on, so stay tuned. Just join him on the Telegram, join him on Instagram, and he have here already over 345,000 followers, guys. I mean, if this project is not going to the moon, then I don't know which one will go. Tim has also stated that they have already secured funding for a metaverse related project, but has not released any details on what that will be. So guys, stay tuned. Metaverse is coming with Tim Malcom. Just follow this guy. He's in the crypto scene. He have a feed inside and he want to grow, and he will grow with this community. That's for sure. Diggin' Finance appears that it could be an innovator in the Tom fork space, as it appears to be marketing to crypto and NFT enthusiasts, as well as creating utility that will be used in the metaverse in the future. So stay tuned, guys. Just join his Instagram, follow him, join his Twitter account for sure. Don't forget Degen Finance. This is his little baby right now. And yes, why not? Why not the VIP in the blockchain? He will be not the first and he will be not the last. And I'm sure this guy is going straight because he have the ability, he have his community, he have followers. And for sure, if you have followers which are trusting you, right, and you bring up a good project on the blockchain, why this should not be successful? So join these guys and you can stake many tokens here, and this is a real mean money machine. A real mean printing money machine. Sorry. It is a printing money machine and documents will come soon. What we have on whitelist, you have to unlock it with your MetaMask wallet. Then you have here every time, every success, access you need to have the much success you want. And guys, stay tuned. Tim Malcom is on the road. Just follow him on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram. For sure, Degen Finance. And I'm sure this guy is pumping hard his project. And tell me what you think about this project, guys. Tell me what you think about Tim Malcom. Tell me what you think about Degen Finance. And yes, if you are invested already, if you want to invest, it will help a lot to go forward. And for sure, leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest projects on the blockchain. Until next video, guys, I wish you the very, very best profits. And don't forget to sign in, guys. Stay ready. On 24th, the protocol will start. Don't forget, come on in. And I will put you all the important informations under this video. Everything I was spoken about it. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits with Degen Finance.